Just imagine a world where you can power your entire business with just one AI tool. Yeah, you heard it right. The last AI tool you need to successfully run, manage and grow your online business and turn it into a profit-making full-fledged web agency. Introducing MotoAi, the world's first all-inclusive agency creator suite, which makes profit-making sites, content, graphics, images, videos, and articles, preloaded with 3,000 plus niches and categories. And all that in just a few magical clicks. MotoAi creates revolutionary eye-catchy and jaw-dropping websites, content, graphics, articles, and many more in just a few clicks. If this sounds good to you, then get this and start making money out of it. Create product landing pages, e-commerce stores, Amazon stores, photography websites, review sites, blog pages, offline sites, and many more online and offline business websites, with an interactive and newbie-friendly drag-and-drop page builder. All this in just a single tool. Welcome to the MotoAi, the last agency creator suite you will ever need. Say goodbye to all the junk, ugly, untidy, and non-supportive tools you've been using by now, and start building spectacular, eye-boggling websites for your business. The problems with other AI tools you would already have is ugly and tedious designs, bugs all around, limitations of pre-made layouts, no support, no new updates, and limitations of using it on multiple websites. We have seen this over and over again, and you know it's true. So to cut that short, and get this MotoAi. MotoAi comes with 3,000 pre-made websites, content, images, graphics, articles, and much more. With all these, start creating websites and content for online marketers, business owners, drop shippers, shop owners, industrial creatives or offliners, bloggers, and many more with just one tool. Does all this sound like a nightmare? But yes, with our MotoAi tool, you have true freedom and the ability to create any website without any restrictions. Still thinking? Well, don't do that, because MotoAi has been developed by an elite author on Theme Forest and Code Canyon, with a team size of 80+ members, and this team has put all their talent and 13 years of experience into this biggest AI tool for you. Having said that, you are assured of design quality, code standards, bugs-free, high-quality video tutorials, and top-notch support. So the question is, will you still stick to the old ways to get your agency running, or build websites by hiring expensive designers and wasting money and time? Or will you take action and grab MotoAi now and get an easy life ahead? Don't give it a second thought and grab your copy now to start your own web agency and create profit-making websites, landing pages, graphics, videos, and content.